Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos. Today I'm going to show you about the newest products on my right hand. For this one is open air displays. So let me give you the overall sizes first. The unit's entire length is about like a 35 inches. And the overall height is about like a 80 inches tall. The depth of the unit is about like a 28 inches. So as we can see the units at the front, they have LED banners on top of it. And also they have overnight covers. You can slide it down, handling here. They can just cover the full units. And also they auto close too. And on the side of the unit, they're coming two LED light strips. And at the bottom, we can see they have controllers from the Dexels. You can set in the temperatures and the digital displays on it. And also when we look in the back of the units, we have the sanitation sticker at the bottoms, coming with the ETL sanitations and NSF. And also when we're looking down at the corners, we see they came from the manufacturers, give you a 110 plugs. But this one using the commercial stylings, the head plugs will be looks a little bit different. And let me give you the overall size for the inner side. The shelvings, they are about like a 15 and 3/4 inches deep. About like a 31.5 inches wide. All these heights, they are adjustable on each of the layers. But I give you a generally the heights between, they come in about like a 11 inches. So the bottom we can see at the front, they have a glass covers at the front. And they do have a bottom shelvings. You also can put the stuff right here. And under the bottom shelvings, they have a big air circling fans. You can take close to see inside. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.